Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Tnat Pulit jangko jela kal Aiti ke roster system sya Tnat kampo yeng jangko sorkar jela kanang bat pinstet no ya ke jing Thungkam ha Tnat Pulit la kumnu hau benai no pra arajar arpuar ne hau kula lengkot arajar arpulai. Director General of Police ke jela Dr. L.R. Bishnoi ke jengkran bigilar petai kubur ha arpulai terik menailur arajar arpuar. Ulai itu bagi jing sateng ke jing Thungkam hakani ke Tnat kadai nakadau ke jing bampat penbiang ya ke roster system nakabenta ke post on arm but arm branch.
See, that recruitment was held up because of the High Court orders, and the reason of holding the recruitment was that non-submission of the roster system. So now we have submitted roster system for the constable, both UB, that is unarmed branch, and the AB, that is armed branch. Our report has gone to the Home Department. Home Department will scrutinize the report, and after that the Personnel Department will issue the notification. The moment notification will be issued and the roster system submitted by PHQ will be accepted, after that we will sit together and we will start calling the candidates for interview, and hopefully within this year our aim is to start training of the newly recruited constables from the month of December. So if everything goes as per our plan, so you can expect that by December or January we can start training for them. Government has suggested many things, and many things are under process. But as far as police is concerned, we have identified certain traffic congestion points where we need more deployment. So we requested government to give us certain home guards so that the regulations can be done efficiently. So for that, the moment we will get extra home guards, then you can see the little bit facilitation and regulations of the traffic. No, home guards are getting their salary regularly. Last one or 2 months I have not checked. I think 2 months I have not checked. Rest are getting salary. Sachang, where is the Sachang? Not there. They are getting. Okay. Now he says that for last 3 months they didn't get it.
This was in the assembly also. It was said in the assembly that they are not getting for the past 3-4 months.
Okay. So Home Guard Directorate is separate, but I will check it. I will look into it. The Home Guard, regarding the Home Guard salaries, is there any delay for Home Guard's release of
No,
Home
sir, we are
Guards?
getting the sanctions, sir. We are getting sanctions.
So for last how many months it is pending?
So we have not received any complaints so far from any of the SPs, sir.
Any of the SPs or any of the Home Guard themselves?
No, sir. We have no petition so far.
Okay.
After I took over, we have no petition whatsoever, sir.
We have noted your points. I will personally look into it.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.